Public speaking feels terrifying because most people believe every eye in the room is judging their every move and silently measuring their worth. But in reality, most people are not analyzing you at all. They are simply waiting to learn something useful or interesting. Fear begins when speaking is treated like a performance instead of a simple act of sharing an idea with others. The more attention you place on yourself, the louder anxiety becomes. But the moment your focus shifts outward, pressure begins to fade. Public speaking changes instantly when you stop asking how you appear and start thinking about what your audience truly needs. Great speakers are not entertainers trying to impress. They are messengers, transferring one clear idea from their mind into another person's understanding. You do not need dozens of points or complicated slides. One clear message delivered well is enough to make an impact. Feeling nervous does not mean you're unprepared. It simply means your brain recognizes that something meaningful is happening. Instead of fighting nervous energy, redirect it toward clarity, kindness, and helping people understand something valuable. Audiences quickly forget small mistakes, but they remember moments when a speaker genuinely helped them think differently. The easiest way to relax is to imagine speaking to just one person who wants to hear what you have to say. When speaking becomes sharing instead of performing, confidence grows naturally, without force or pretending. Confidence is not required before speaking. It appears afterward when your attention stays focused on serving others. Before every talk, remind yourself that people came for value and insight, not flawless delivery or perfection. Public speaking is easy, actually, because your true job is not to impress anyone, but simply to be helpful.